Baji. Baji's such a brave, brave boy. He's come out of hiding even during the 4th of July fireworks. The 4th of July fireworks are happening right now. He's got a lot of moral support from his siblings and his mother, me. And he's decided to be out and about, even though the sudden noises can be difficult for him and for others. Thankfully, the fireworks are happening a little bit in a distance. We could even see these from the windows. And Baji was under the bed, but now he's come out and sitting on top of his favorite cushion. So I take that as a good sign. Are you okay, Baji? Mama will protect. Mama will protect. Oh, Baji. Baji's being such a good boy. A little bit introverted. But he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Hi. Oh, Baji wants to hold hands. Baji wants to hold hands. Good boy, Baji. Good boy. When Baji reaches out with his hand, it usually means that he is feeling friendly and he's feeling more outgoing and less introverted. Although he does have introverted moments as well. But he has given his arm, which means that he is mostly happy. He's just figuring out life. Why not? He's just figuring out life. Why not? Oh, Baji. Baji. It's okay. Oh, okay. Baji is feeling more introverted again. And so now we will... Oh, my baby. I know. The little fireworks noises makes it so that it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. That's why I don't go anywhere on these types of holidays where there might be fireworks and things like that. I just stay home with the kids. I just stay home with these babies so that they have moral support. It's okay, Baji. His sister is still under the bed. Suji! That's just your sister. That's just your sister. But Baji's very social. He was torn between being social and hiding. And so he decided to come out. Suji Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Suji Mama. Okay, Mommy's gonna pick you up.